So this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and the goal of this video is to see how long it will actually fly. They say 36 minutes of flight time on a standard battery, up to 52 on one of those plus batteries. We got a standard battery in here. We're gonna see how long this thing will actually stay in the air. I'm gonna put it up there and I'm gonna let it return home. So we'll see actual flight time. I'm gonna fly it around, I'm gonna do some hovering. Also in the middle of this process, I'm going to walk through the flight modes. That'll be a whole different video, but when you see kind of the screen doing those things, I'm actually going through all of the menus and seeing what this thing has to offer. I've flown this quite a bit already and it's a blast. And yes, you can get it in the United States. It's not easy, but it can be done. If you're new to the channel, I am Jack. This is Half Chrome and we review drones and all sorts of other electronic content. So let's get after this Mini 5 Pro. And oh yes, by the way, I'm outside of Chicago, so you can get this thing in the United States. Let's get it up in the air and start this test. So as soon as I unfold this thing, it's gonna power up, which is cool. We'll also see how close it gets to landing on that exact same spot. All right, we're loading up to 100%. You can see I got 100% battery. Let's go ahead and screen record here.
Home point updated.
All right, looks like we're already at 99%, but either way, let's get this thing up in the air and see how long it will fly.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
So most of this test will be a hover, but we're also going to fly it around a little bit. So let's just start by flying it around. So I'm going to speed this video up so you can see how close we get to the 36-minute flight time without actually having to wait that long. Now, this was a really hot and sunny day, so not ideal, and most of this was done with a hover. Again, not ideal for the drone, so that's fine, right? We're just doing this in real-world situations. So there are some other things, some other videos that I've already created about this drone. I bought this on eBay, shipped out of South Korea. I got a video on that. I've done kind of an unboxing. I also did a quick review, more of a first impressions video. I have an app walkthrough, right? You kind of see me kind of going through the menus here. I do all of that, all the flight modes. I also have a Mini 4 versus Mini 5 video on the way, as well as a nighttime comparison video on the way, and of course some obstacle avoidance / follow me mode video, maybe more of a fail and what not to do. But as you see here, we're getting close to the end of the battery. It's going to start this return home. And it's not going where it should, right? It wanted to enter my house. I did not turn it on inside of the house, so that's kind of strange. I'm going to chalk that up to the hot day. But let's take a look at the tape and see where it came out. Okay, hot day. Things weren't working great. This guy did not land where it needed to. I had to take control of it myself. And let's take a look at the tape to see how long it flew. I'm guessing 24 minutes or so. Not the 32 as advertised, but that's pretty darn typical. It was up in the air for 23 minutes and 37 seconds with 14% battery left, meaning we could get this thing all the way up to about 27 and a half minutes if we flew it to zero. That's close to the 32 minutes. You're never going to get 32 minutes. That's under perfect conditions. So just kind of keep that in mind. On better days, better conditions, we probably get a little bit more flight time. But, I think you can expect about 25 minutes of flight for most batteries, give or take. Hope this was helpful. Hey, thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.